Hello again, everyone. It's been another busy day here in the Weather Centre as we continue to monitor the wet weather affecting much of the country. And on our satellite loop, we can see that it's remained cloudy today for many areas, particularly over the central and eastern parts. Showers continued over Gauteng, the Free State, the northwest, as well as towards the eastern coastline, while thunder showers have developed this afternoon in a long line extending from Botswana all the way through to the Eastern Cape, with some severe thunderstorm activity located within that area. Now, off the west coast, there is still this low pressure system, and this is pushing in some showery activity along the coast, and we're going to see those showers continuing overnight. Our futurecast indicates that line of thunderstorm activity spreading into the central parts this evening. A stormy night expected from the northwest all the way through to the Free State, perhaps even into Gauteng. Showers continuing further northwards. Clearance taking place, on the other hand, behind that line of thunderstorm activity, while along the western coastline, as I've already mentioned, it's going to be cloudy with a very good chance of showers. Still a few showers expected tomorrow morning over that area. Those showers will start spreading along the south coast. Clearance taking place over the central interior, but thunderstorm activity continues for Pretoria, Johannesburg, Limpopo, as well as into Mpumalanga and the northern parts of KZN on Thursday. Tonight's rainfall probability map indicating widespread showers and thunder showers from the northwest, including Mahikeng, across the Free State and into much of the Eastern Cape as well. Scattered showers still expected for Mpumalanga as well as KZN, while along the western coastline there's also up to a 60% chance for showers overnight. And we'll see some of that rainfall spreading quite far inland, including Springbok, Sutherland and Calvinia, and we'll also see a couple of showers around the Alexander Bay area. Watches for this evening, there are two of them which have been issued by the South African Weather Service. The first is for heavy rainfall, which may lead to localized flooding in places over the central interior as well as across the Eastern Cape tonight. And the second watch is for the likelihood of severe thunderstorms continuing this evening over parts of the Eastern Cape interior. Moving ahead to your minimum temperatures, and drier air will be moving in over the western interior overnight. This is going to allow for a cooler evening. 9 degrees for Daar, Sutherland dropping down to 4. We're expecting a 12-degree minimum for Bethlehem as well as for Uppington, but it remains warm up in Limpopo and especially along the east coast. 22 in Durban and Richards Bay. Tomorrow will remain mild over much of the Cape provinces as well as into the southern Free State. 24 degrees for Bloemfontein. Another warm day expected for Limpopo. Very high temperatures expected for parts of the Lowveld. And we're expecting temperatures to peak in the mid-20s in KZN tomorrow afternoon. Friday brings another cold front to Cape Town. The rainfall continuing for the mother city. Thunderstorms also continuing in Gauteng, where Pretoria reaches a high of 29. And on Saturday, cooler air will be pushing in over the western interior, Sutherland up to 16 degrees, and we're expecting further showers along the southern coastline.